Hi everyone, this is Ray, and I'm here today to tell you about my next workshop at Vieux Couvent. This place is absolutely divine, and it's north of Toulouse in southwest France. It's an old 17th century convent that's been converted into an artist retreat. I've compiled this video just to show you some wonderful moments that I've shared and my students have shared at Vieux Couvent. The little village of Freycinet is where it is situated, and just about everywhere you turn there's somewhere to paint. This is the lily pond or fish pond that's at Vieux, and that's a painting that I did of that area. I've designed this workshop to accommodate all artists working in any medium, but I will be demonstrating in watercolour this time. Even though I work in every medium and teach in every medium, I don't mind if students would like to paint in their own medium, and I'll give them at easel assistance. I want you to get the flavour of this place just by looking at these photographs. Just spectacular. The people are wonderful. The place is wonderful. They take you out on day trips so we can do a whole lot of painting outside as well. They have a studio that's fully equipped for us to sit in if we have inclement weather. And everything's just there for you. You don't have to worry about anything. And did I mention the food? Oh boy, the food is amazing. You can sit in the garden and paint. You could spend every day there just doing that without even going out on a day trip. There are just little places everywhere to paint. The gardens ramble at this place. The owner, Corinne, is an avid gardener, and she loves tending all her beautiful plants, which you will see. Everything is just wonderful. Everyone gets their own room, and you have a bathroom to yourself. There are common rooms where people can sit and congregate and have a glass of wine or a cup of coffee or tea. You get your meals served to you in the dining room. We have spectacular food. This is just to give you some idea of the beautiful display of food that we get. We have a wonderful time, and you also get your vino and refreshments tossed into the price, which is wonderful. Look at that food. Doesn't that make you hungry? And then we have aperitifs, usually around 6 o'clock at night, before we go in for dinner. This is one of the places that we painted at. Had a picnic beside the river. After we had done a beautiful trip to Bagnac Castle. This is a field of poppies, as you will see. We were all enthused about taking photographs of these poppies. And here's a field of sunflowers. France is full of fields of flowers. Look at those long cast shadows that you can get. Just gorgeous vignettes for us to paint. Little place that we went to with a gorgeous little bridge that I painted just in a little journal entry. You can sit beside the river and just paint at your leisure. Bill, also the owner of Vieux Couvent, brings a picnic for us all, and we sat beside the river and we eat at the riverbank. It's just perfect. I keep showing you food because I know that's very important to me anyway, but I'm sure you'll see how beautifully displayed it is. This bridge was right on the river that we had a picnic at. Gorgeous, isn't it? And here we are having our picnic, waiting to be served. Everything is just done for you. Our wonderful group, all with glasses in our hand, ready to have our aperitif. This is to show you just some of the garden display, my paintings of certain flowers that I saw. Look at that poppy, isn't that gorgeous? And my rendition of that poppy. Just beautiful. I hope you'll think about coming along to this wonderful place. It's in the Dordogne region of France, in the Mid-Pyrenees, and you're going to see lots of little quaint villages, beautiful lakes like this, riverbanks, waterfalls, just everything that you would want to see. And on days when we have maybe a half day before we go out to paint, we'll slip out to a market and we might do some shopping. And shopping's always a great thing for the artists to take home some souvenirs. This is a beautiful scene from Bagnac Castle, looking down to the bridge where we had lunch one day. And this is Rocamadour, a cliffside town. Fabulous, lovely restaurants. It's a free day we have there, and you get to shop and have lunch in the most beautiful restaurants, take photographs. Fabulous place. Here's Bill setting up our picnic table for us. Back in Freycinet, having a look at the little village vignettes to paint. We go to so many little villages, I get mixed up with which ones some of these photographs belong to. Coming up next is a little town we went to called Saint-Cirq-la-Popée. This is it here. And we had a ball there. Great shopping and great places to paint. This is Saint-Cirq again, all those lovely red tiled roofs, and my painting, just a little journal entry I did of that area. And here we are, back again having our aperitifs. That is Corinne on the left-hand side and myself in the middle, and Gabby at the right-hand side, sitting at Vieux. I really can't rave about this place enough. The fun that you have there, meeting old friends, meeting new friends, having just a whole lot of people to be with that are on the same wavelength as you, all wanting to paint and drink in the scenery. Not to mention drink in the wine, I guess. I hope you'll come along. Thank you for watching. And for more of my work, check out my website at rayandrews.com.